If one of my eyeballs pop out, it's gonna be my fault. I take full responsibility for this SHIT show. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет. I'm a Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do tutorials and reviews of affordable or inexpensive makeup from dollar store, drugstore, Walmart, AliExpress, everything. You name it, I'll test it myself and pass the savings to you guys. So in this video, I'm doing a review of this wired palette I got in Tjmaxx. In my recent haul video, I showed it to you. And we're going to be doing a tutorial, quick tutorial and a review. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you every time I upload. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live every Sunday. Recently time change, 9 AM Pacific time. So like, comment, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, social media links in the description box. So let's get right into this. So this palette was in Tjmaxx. I went to Tjmaxx a while ago, so I don't remember what I paid for it, but I just watched my video back from my whole video, and I think the price was there $14.99, something like that, so it was even lower than I was thinking. And right now it's on sale on Ulta website and Urban Decay website for 19 something, so it's actually on sale everywhere, so I guess it doesn't sell well, I imagine. So yeah. So that's what it looks like. If you guys want to see swatches, I'm going to link a card here. So you can see the swatches in my whole video. I swatched it on my arm. I mean, this is not a new palette, so it's not as important. What matters is how it performs on the eyes. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial, because this is not a tutorial video, it's a review. So we're gonna see how this performs and how I did this look. So if you guys want to see, then keep on watching. So before we get into it, let's do the Russian word of the day. So I've been thinking I like to have conversation in the comments below. So let's do the word conversation. And conversation in Russian is разговор. It's about as long as an English version. So I'll put Cyrillic alphabet here and the pronunciation, phonetic pronunciation below. Разговор. Разговор. So use it in the sentence below if you like to. So there you have it. Okay, let's prime with MAC paint pot. So I got this one in soft ochre. Thanks to Anne-Marie, she sent it to me. Thank you, my friend. So the first time around I bought it in Ulta and I returned it because it gave me so much texture. I thought there was something wrong with it. So let's try this again. Well, I did this eye already. It still kind of gives me texture. I have dry eyelids. I mean, I moisturized before I started. It is very creamy on my fingers, so it kind of warms up, like it warms up your fingers. So it goes on smooth, but I find that it dries immediately and it dries really textured. So I'm gonna close it in a little bit so you can see when I'm finished. It's hard to apply with the fingers, but I have long nails, but I'm trying. It seems like it's okay. The left eye, when I was doing the other eye, it was very textured, but this one, I don't know if it's blurry. Yeah, this one came out nicer. I don't know, maybe it was like the first layer was kind of dry and now it's better. Huh. Well, I might change my opinion. Alright, let's go on with the wired palette. So I'm going to start with, I did the second look already. So the first look I did not like. There's something about the color combinations I didn't like. So I'm gonna go with Chaos first, and then to Gravity, and then to Shock. So blue, purple, and light purple. So this into this into this. And never mind this, I just dropped some water there by accident, so that's why it's a watermark. There's nothing wrong with the palette, that's my own fault. And I'm using my new Jessup set. Thank you, Anne-Marie, for sending me. Anne-Marie is so sweet, she's my friend. She sent me as a gift, and it's like, I love Jessup brushes, and she sent me another set. Thank you so much. So I'm using my favorite brush, 23331. So I got 2 of them. So I'm gonna go into Chaos, the blue, and lay it out here. But this kind of reminds me of what I did with Nikki Tutorials palette. This kind of blue is like a very blue purple already. It's kind of a dry formula, I would say, and there's a lot of fallout. People say that Nikki Tutorials formula is dry, but I didn't find it dry. Maybe the palettes are different, which is not a good thing either. So if the Beauty Bay quality is so different from palette to palette, that's kind of a bad thing. But this one seems way drier. I don't know. It's pigmented, but it's kind of powdery. I'm gonna take another brush with purple. I'm using my second Jessup 231 brush. Now I have two of them. So now I'm going to Gravity, and I'm gonna tap Gravity and Shock, because Shock is lighter and Gravity just a little too dark. So I'm kind of tapping between the two. I'm going right for the shade that says not for immediate eye area. Shocker. If one of my eyeballs pop out, it's gonna be my fault. I take full responsibility for this SHIT show. And I'm gonna dip the same brush into Chaos, the blue, and mix it with purple Gravity. And do this kind of blendy thing. And I've done in my tutorial. Add some more purple. Okay, now I'm taking a small brush, and this is Petite Eye Blender 223, just a brush. I'm going right into the Savage, the pink. And the pink is gonna pretty much go on into the other half of my eyelid. And blend. The pink blends easy, no problems. Very, very pigmented too. I mix a little white in that glitch, just to help the blend. And go back to pink. Yeah, the pink is wonderful, but it's kind of pastel more than neon. You know, kind of expected this to be more neon. And this is like more of a pastel shade, like purple is more. I'm gonna put it here. The light purple is Shock. So I'll put the Shock in here to mix it. We're gonna push it all together. Shock into the glitch. No, that's not glitch, that's Savage. I mean, the names though, the names. This blend's easy. The purple and the pink are so close on the color wheel, so it really blends, does it blend easy. I'll take even fluffier brush, and this is Jessup 228 Luxe Grease. But I like to use that to blend out colors next to the brow bone. I'm yet to highlight the brow bone. There is no highlight shade here, because there is only one shimmer, and it's like dark green. Which is kind of weird. I'm not into this color story, it's weird. I don't even know why I bought it, just because it's Urban Decay. You know, if you go to Tjmaxx and you see Urban Decay, you have to have it, right? But there is a reason why it ends up in Tjmaxx, maybe because it didn't sell well. Although my Lisa Edwards palette is excellent, I love it. And that was in Tjmaxx, so who knows? So I'm just intensifying all the colors now. So I got my crease with Revolution base, because I feel like the MAC paint palette is a little dry for that. So I used the new Ultimate Eye Base in the color Light. I cleaned that before with micellar water, of course. And now we're going for the main lid color. So I kind of decided to go with mattes, because it's mostly matte. So I'm going to Jolt. And then I'm going to, what is fluorescent? Fluorescent? Can't pronounce it. Anyway, these two colors. So this is gonna be next to the inner corner, and this going to blend into the blue. So I'm gonna take the flat brush just to pack it on. And this is not necessarily the flat brush for the eyeshadow. It says cream shader, but I do love to put flat just to place any shimmers or pack any colors. So I'm going right for the green. I don't know, I find like the Mitchell palette has a better lime green, the chartreuse, the one that Teresa likes. So now I'm taking the same brush, clean it up in a color switch, and use a little bit of fluorescent. So I'm going to pat it on first, and then we're going to blend it. Okay, now I'm going with the Detail Shader 237. And this is good for the low lash line, at least for me. I love this one for the low lash line. So I'm going into the current, and this is the only shimmer shade. I don't know, like, I don't know how I feel about the combination of colors here. The fact that it's only one shimmer is dark green, I don't know, kind of makes no sense to me. But it's just me, but I don't know. I'd rather put lighter shimmer for the like brow bone highlight or something. Okay, so I added some AM eyeliner in Supernova and the other one in Asteroid. Kind of blending them together because this is all matte, so I need a little sparkle. So, and I'll put my waterline LA Girl pencil. This is a Shockwave in a color Fresh. And I used the Renaissance Flake eyeliner by Revolution, and that's the blend. Yeah, it's blended nicely. There's something about this eyeshadows that I'm not quite into, kind of like very dry and powdery. So let me finish my face makeup, lashes and all. I put bottom lashes here from Amazon, cheap AF, so we shall see how they work, and I'll be right back. So that's eye makeup finished. I used my new eyelashes, the cheap eyelashes from Amazon. I'm going to list them below if I don't forget. And they're very, very inexpensive, but they kind of look inexpensive, but surprisingly they're very comfortable, easy to put on. There's something about them really works. And the low lashes, they come in 10 pairs of upper and 10 pairs of lower, so I'm not mad at that. So yeah, the blend came out very nice. Although I'm not really crazy about the powdery eyeshadows. Okay, so this is the finished look. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. It's my classic, very smoky, very blown out. I'm happy with the eyeshadow overall, but I don't know, something about this palette that I'm not very excited about. The eyeshadows are kind of muddy, like this light purple mixed with dark purple came out kind of muddy looking. I mean, it's alright, but it was not as bright and neon-like and pigmented as I wanted it to be. The blue one is alright, the green one is alright, but I mean, I've seen better lime green, so overall, like, I would never buy it at the price that they were selling it. When you go to Urban Decay website, this palette is $19.50 on sale now, like 19 something. And Old Ulta website is on sale for the same price, so something is up. It's on like a deep sale. Maybe it didn't sell well. I mean, I would not be surprised because the color story is a little off for me, just a little weird. Like it's missing the black and just there's something about this is just not working for me. So yeah, for me it's like a kind of alright. I don't regret buying it because I wanted to try Urban Decay palette, which I don't have any like bright Urban Decay palettes, but overall for me it's a kind of a hard pass. So even if you can save money in Tjmaxx, I just wouldn't be interested in buying it. So save yourself money and get something more pigmented and bright. To me, like a XX Revolution Extravaganza palette has all the rainbow and all the shimmers and all the bright colors, and I think it's way better than this small thing, honestly. So this is it for this video, just a quick review of this palette. So let me know what you guys think. Do you have this palette? Did you get it in Tjmaxx or Tjmaxx? I'm wondering what you guys think. I know that Teresa didn't really care for it, and I see why. For me, it's like, same thing. So let me know in the comments, like this video, it will help me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I also go live on Sundays. And I just changed the time. I think it's going to be 9 a.m. I'm going to make notifications. So please click the bell on so you know every time I upload and I go live. Live stream on Sunday is always fun. I do makeup challenges and I've been doing some Halloween looks and some really kind of weird and crazy looks. It's a lot of fun. So come join me every Sunday. And thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!